Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can reset your Candy Crush Saga password. If you need to reset your Candy Crush Saga password, then first of all, launch Open Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the page, accept the terms and conditions and then tap on the Retrieve My Progress button in blue. Now you will end up in this King's sign up or sign in page. Click on the login with email option at the very bottom of the screen and you will be prompted to enter your email and password. If you don't remember your password for your King account, tap on Forgot Your Password. Now enter your email address that is associated with King. After you do that, click on Reset Password. You will receive an email to reset your password on the associated email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and click on the email received from King. Now click on Get Your Password. Select the web browser from the menu and you will end up in the king.com website where you can enter a new password. Type in your password in the text box that you want to set for your account, and after you do that, click on Change Password. Right after you do that, your password will be changed. Now every time you are trying to log in with your email and password, you will now need to enter the newly updated password when logging into Candy Crush Saga with King. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorial videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.